Measuring support performance is notoriously subjective. Everyone has an opinion, but where's the data? Today, I'll show you how AnalyzeMetrics brings scientific rigor to this chaotic process so you can move from gut feelings to guaranteed insights. Why is this problem so pervasive in support? Because we're inundated with metrics from tickets, chats, calls, each telling a different story. Generic tools like spreadsheets or basic BI dashboards fall short because they treat all data equally. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. The real industry challenge is that without standardized weighting and benchmarks, you can't compare apples to apples. Is a 10-minute response time good? It depends on your SLA, your history, your priorities. That's the gap AnalyzeMetrics fills. Let's dive into the technical method. AnalyzeMetrics uses a deterministic calculation engine. This means every performance score is derived from auditable mathematical formulas. We start by ingesting your raw KPI data, things like first response time, resolution rate, CSAT. Then, we apply weighted scoring based on industry benchmarks and your own organizational goals. A key concept here is that not all metrics are created equal. For instance, customer satisfaction might be weighted heavier than chat volume. This contrasts with common misconceptions where simply averaging numbers gives a misleading picture. AnalyzeMetrics ensures that the metrics that matter most to your success have the appropriate impact. Now, what does the software actually do? AnalyzeMetrics connects to your support systems, whether it's Zendesk, ServiceNow, or a custom platform. It automatically pulls in conversation data and KPIs, normalizes them, and runs them through the calculation engine. You get a comprehensive dashboard with overall performance scores, trend lines, and anomaly detection. But it's not just about outputs, it's about transparency. Every calculation has an audit trail, so you can see exactly how scores are derived. This is crucial for compliance with standards like ISO 27001 or GDPR. Plus, you can model scenarios. What if you shifted resources to weekend support? How would that affect your resolution metrics? AnalyzeMetrics lets you simulate these changes and see the potential outcomes. Let me walk you through a hypothetical example. Consider a support team with two primary variables. Their current customer satisfaction score is 85%, and their average first contact resolution rate is 70%. Using AnalyzeMetrics, we might set a baseline where CSAT is weighted at 60% and resolution rate at 40%. The software would calculate an overall performance score. Now, if they implement a new training program aiming to boost resolution rate to 80%, AnalyzeMetrics can model the expected improvement in the overall score. This isn't a promise of specific results, but a demonstration of how the tool enables predictive planning based on your data. When it comes to compliance and reporting, AnalyzeMetrics generates reports that are both deep and accessible. For executives, you get a one-page summary with key insights and visualizations. For analysts, there are detailed breakdowns with all the underlying data. These reports are designed to align with regulatory frameworks, providing the documentation needed for audits. The software ensures that your performance assessments are not only accurate, but also defensible. In closing, AnalyzeMetrics transforms how you assess support performance. It replaces manual, error-prone processes with automated, standardized analysis. You gain clarity, save time, and make decisions backed by data. To see how AnalyzeMetrics can revolutionize your support operations,